we are learning all about the life cycle of a chicken this week. And chickens begin as eggs and hatch into baby chicks and then grow up into adult chickens. So here I have a circle of brown construction paper, a circle paper plate. I cut a yellow sheet of construction paper into an oval, drew 2 circle eyes and a triangle beak, and that will be our baby chick. So you'll need some glue to glue this down onto your paper plate, and then you will put the circle brown paper over the baby chick on the paper plate and tear from the middle. So I just folded this in half, cut a slit, and then have your child begin tearing the paper. Be sure not to go all the way through, as if the chicken is hatching from the egg. And then you'll just fold back the flaps, and you can keep tearing so you can see the cute little chick's face. So chickens hatch from eggs by using their beaks to poke their way through the egg. And then I would glue this down. I hope this is a craft that you can do with your family this week. Have a great day.